So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit font size here on Canva using Canva Desktop. So once Canva is opened up, add some text to your design. So just go to text right here in the top left, press on for this example, add a heading. So this will be my first example right here, and I will duplicate this example and have a second one right here. So first example, the simplest way to make it larger or smaller, press on the text, open up this box, grab one of the corners here, and just drag it out to make it larger, or drag it in to make it smaller, so that kind of changes there. Another way you can do it, for instance, if you're looking for like an exact font, press on the text right here, double tap it, go to the top here where it says font size. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller, you can type in whatever you want to do. 30 font right there, or you can search up to 30 font right there and make it sort of as large as you want that way. So very straightforward, but that is how to edit, or I guess adjust the font size here in Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.